Go to Tradebook. Click on History. Select your segment. Select your date range. Click on Export to download. Select the downloaded file. Kindly verify your data. Go to Reports and Services. Select Financial Ledger. Select your date range. Click on Export to download. Select the downloaded file. Check your data. Go to Reports and Services. Select Contract Note. Select your date range. Click on Apply. Click on Excel icon to download. Select the downloaded file. Kindly enter your required password. Click on Open File. Your file will be downloaded successfully. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.